Hi, this is Theo Bridant in the School of Performing Arts. I'm working on our production of Twelfth Night, set designed by Peter Crompton. I'm currently working on molding, crown molding for a couple of the walls that are used on the set. And one of the things that I like to do when I'm building scenery, we have certain materials we use all the time, but I'm trying to find ways to reuse that material from a show-to-show basis, so it isn't necessarily being cut once, used, and stored for months or years, or sometimes even being thrown away, but then being immediately repurposed into another show. So what I have here is some Douglas fir that was purchased for flooring planks, and it comes in a 1x6 to a 1x12 normal cut length, and it's milled at the sawmill that way, and it's usually cut, it's called resawn, and it's usually cut from a 2x stock, and it gets used in the trades for concrete forms and things like that. But I use it, and I've used it several times, as a flooring substitute to create a plank look for a deck. We did that for our fall production of Bull Rusher, and afterwards, this paint job you see is from Bull Rusher. I took all those 1x6 planks and I ripped them down into different widths, depending on what I needed it for. I actually ripped it down into a slightly wider width than what you see here. It's 2 inches. Ripped it down to 2.5 inches, and we used that to build all of the flats, the walls essentially, that we're using for this production. And then I also then ripped it into smaller widths to create this crown molding. The designer had spec'd out a very specific pattern for the molding that we could have cut out of foam, but because I had the material and budget was kind of an issue, this was a little cheaper way to go. So I ended up buying a ready-made MDF molding and then reusing all the materials from the other shows. I ripped it down to create this profile, and then eventually this molding that will get painted. And then when it's done, I'll take a photo of that so you can see the difference. So, thank you.